In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the author name from WordPress posts. We'll do this using the WordPress site editor, which lets you change the template that controls how your posts are displayed across the site. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and open the editor. From there, navigate to the template that shows your post content. Depending on your theme, this is usually the single post template, or the template where you see the author line on the page you're editing. Once the template is open, click directly on the canvas to select the content area. You'll likely see a group that contains your post title, date, author, and other meta. Click again to drill down into that group. Each click goes one level deeper, so keep clicking until the author name or the post meta group is highlighted. If you're unsure what you've selected, glance at the small label in the block toolbar, or open the list view from the top toolbar to see the block structure and pick the right block more precisely. With the meta area selected, use the alignment controls in the block toolbar and choose Align Text Center. This helps keep your layout balanced after we remove the author line, especially if your date or categories remain. Next, open the block's Options menu, the three dots on the toolbar, and choose Duplicate. Duplicating creates a safe working copy so you can make changes without losing the original arrangement. Now, with the duplicated metagroup or the specific author element selected, open the Options menu again and choose Delete. If the author is its own post author block, delete that block. If the author appears as part of a combined meta pattern alongside the date, carefully select just the author portion and remove it, leaving the rest intact. Take your time here. Selecting the exact element prevents accidental layout changes. After removing the author display, take a quick look at spacing and alignment. If centering doesn't feel right for your design, you can return to the alignment control and adjust it. The goal is a clean, consistent look without the author line. When everything looks good, click Save in the upper right corner. If prompted, confirm which template or template parts to save so the change applies site-wide. Finally, preview a post on the front end to confirm the author name is gone. If you use caching, clear it so the update appears immediately. That's it! Your posts now display without the author name,